Your visitor loves your product. They add to cart and then they leave. This happens every single day. What if you could change that moment? Let me show you how. Hey, I am Muhammad, founder of the Growth Suite. Let me tell you what's going on with the cart abandonment. Your visitor came to your store, they look around some products, they found something they like, they click on add to cart button, but they don't buy. Why? Because there is no urgency. They just think this is a nice product, I might buy it, but I don't need it right away. I can buy it later, maybe next week, maybe next month, and then they leave. You know what happens next? They forget, they never came back. This is cart abandonment and it costs you money every single day. So, how do you fix this? You need to give them a reason to buy now, not tomorrow, not next week, right away. What is the best way to do this? A real time limited discount offer. Imagine yourself, you walk into a physical offline store, you check around some products, you like some of them, but you don't need them right away. You just think, these are great products, this is a cool store, I might come back later this week, this month with my friends and do the shopping. And at the exact time, a smart sales assistant approach you and say, you know what, you like this product and you are in lucky day. If you want to buy any item, I will make you a special 10% discount only for today. It changed how you think, right? And probably you end up buying a few stuff. This is a strategy working on customers for a long time. All you need to do is applying this strategy on your Shopify store. So let me change my screen and show you how you can apply the same strategy on your Shopify store easily. This is Growth Suite Shopify App Store page. I will show you how Growth Suite will transform your Shopify store on my demo store. I will click on View Demo Store. As you see, this is just a regular Shopify store. There is no blind discount like Welcome 10. And currently Growth Suite just keep track of my behavior to understand if I am a dedicated buyer who is going to buy anyway without any discount, or I am a window shopper just checking out products and going to leave store soon. So I will act like a window shopper on this store, doing some scrolls, changing page quickly, and some spending time around some products, checking product images, clicking on product recommendations, and as you see, Growth Suite just make me an offer. First thing I can see in my product page, I have a 18% discount offer. It is only valid for 13 minutes, and I can see if I use this offer, I can buy this product instead of giving $635, I can buy it $520. This is the first thing. Second thing, I can see a timer in my page. It is sticky and it looks great on the mobile. And let's go to home page. It is there. For the collection page, it is there. And if I open another product detail page, I can see it there too. Let's go to other product pages like this one. I can still see the how much time I got and my price. When I click on the timer, I can see I have a special campaign. It is time limited only for me and it will goes away when the timer is gone. And I can see the exact time how much I got. And the best part is this is not a fake timers, tries to cheat your customers. It is a real timer. When I click on refresh, as you see, timer works perfectly. And it looks like a native element of your store. This is very important. So what I do is I will just click on add to cart button. As you see, I can see how much saving in my cart and how much time I got to use it. And if you get me, there was no code in the pop-up. There was no code on the product page. It just say, you unlock a special offer and here is the deals detail. You are saving this much money, etc. So I will go to checkout now. As you see, I don't need to memorize any discount code. I don't need to copy it, paste it. GrowthSeed automatically applies my discount code. This discount code created dynamically in the backend of the GrowthSeed, so you don't need to anything, and your customers too. GrowthSeed create a one-time limited unique discount code, applies to visitor's cart, and when the timer is done, this discount code will be deleted. It is the most important part, because when you make a time limited offer, you need to be serious, you need to make it real, otherwise it just lost its meaning. So when the timer is done, this discount code will be deleted. Perfect. The second thing, the same visitor I can't get an offer in the next 7 days. This is also very important, because imagine yourself, I am making you an offer and I say this will expire in 10 minutes, and tomorrow you came back and I said again, if you have another offer, it will expire in 10 minutes. It just lost in its meaning. It will like your discount codes in the welcome pop-ups, like welcome 10 or save 15. You get the idea. This has to be a personalized, and this has to be real time limited. And GrowthSeed just did it perfectly. I mean perfectly, because I want to mention a few things about GrowthSeed. The first one is GrowthSeed watch visitor behavior, and if visitor act like a dedicated buyer, those customers don't see anything from GrowthSeed. They will pay full price. It is the most important part. When you start using it, you will see lots of your orders will happen without any GrowthSeed discount codes. It is the real magic. If visitor act like a walk away customer, then GrowthSeed will find the best discount amount for them based on their behavior and make the offer for them. Second thing, as you see in my screen right now, GrowthSeed not a static pop-up. It just follows the every step of customer journey, from homepage to collection page, product page, cart drawer, checkout. Every step is perfectly designed and aligned based on the customer's needs in each step. This is very important part. And as I mentioned, customers don't need to copy code, paste code, especially for the mobile visitors. Those are just reasons to bounce your store. It doesn't work, it just gives an error. Customer reach out to you with live chat, lots of problem. GrowthSeed creates a unique code in the backend. It applies to customer's cart automatically, and when the timer is done, that discount code will be deleted. It can't be used again, and the same visitor can't get any offer in the next 7 days. It is a cool down period. We need to cool down customer before making any new other offers. As you can imagine, an application like this, customization is essential, because all of the elements needs to be appear like your store's native element. So you can change every text, every color. You can customize everything in the elements, as you see in my screen, based on your preferences without touching one single line of code. So here is the deal. What I recommend to you, if you want to reduce your cart abandonment, you need to give your customers a reason to buy right now, instead of waiting for next week, next month. And GrowthSeed just gave them a reason to complete their order right away. It is free to test. You have 14 days free trial, and the most important part, you will be able to start making offers like this ones in less than 3 minutes. Just open GrowthSeed right now, install it on your store, and start making a real offers for cart abandoners visitors. Instead of following up them with emails, SMS, just make them an offer to buy right away when they are most interested. In 2 weeks, you will see the effects of making real-time limited offers. If you don't like it, there is no problem. Just uninstall the application. But you will see it. You get new sales each day. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.